Hello guys! Nandito ako sa downtown Summerland, sa mall. So, yan guys, tingnan niyo ang view dito guys sa downtown Summerland sa mall. Iwan ko lang kung nakapag-vlog na ba ako dito. Pero maganda siya dito guys. Tingnan niyo, napaka-quiet. Very relaxing. Oh, di ba? Ano lang, na-disappoint ako sa waterfall. Yung pero ang tubig hindi siya nag-work. So, walang tubig ngayon. So, yan. So, yan ang So, maganda siya, guys. Tingnan niyo guys. Oh. Oh, 'di ba? Mayroon silang cactus dito, guys. Nako. Napakaganda ang cactus nila. Tingnan ninyo ang cactus, oh. Napakaganda.
This moment, no one can tell where we should go or what's coming. We thought we had it, the truth about our common soul, that it was fantasy, nothing to put belief in. As soon as we saw what we had begun, defying our own emotion, pretending land was our own. We couldn't embrace the notion that we were meant for something more, something beautiful, something beautiful.
Hi everyone! Come with me. Punta tayo dito, guys. O, diba? Wow, ang ganda. Oh, I love butterfly. O, diba? Ang ganda. Wow. What's the meaning, the jing? Ganda ng butterfly at saka ang flowers. Napaka-colorful. I love it. Oh, 'di ba? So, yan. So, yan. Tingnan ninyo, kasi Easter na eh. Oh, 'di ba? Easter. So, malapit na tayo. Ala. Let's go there. Come with me, guys. Ganda dito, oh. Parang malamig na siya, guys, kasi windy. It's a windy. Oh, it's big rock, oh. It's nice. Oh, diba? Mayroon akong photographer. Yan, no? Mayroong, malaking bato. Okay, there's a open parking here. So, yan. Tingnan natin yan. Ang bato. Ano yan? Oh, that's the street. We're way far away already. O, diba, guys? Oh, tingnan ninyo ang sun, guys. Ang ganda ng sun. So, yan. Tingnan niyo yung bato. Very, very interesting, right? Very interesting rock. Can you sit? Can we sit here? It's very good. Wow. And look at the cactus. Very big cactus. Wow. It's very interesting rock, guys. I never see this one before. Diba? Okay. Thank you. Kasi wala pa tayo nakapag vlog dito. Hi guys. Punta tayo doon sa oy, ito guys, furniture store malaki. Pangmayaman dito guys. Kung nasa California pa tayo, nasa Beverly Hills tayo. Diba? Ang ganda dito. Ang ganda it's nice. I like the pine tree. Palm tree. It's not pine tree, it's a palm tree. Diba? Cars. Careful the cars. Be careful the cars. Thank you. Run, run, run. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna go that way. Let's go that way. It's big truck. Look at that big truck. Napaka silaw ang sun. What's this over here? That's for the skincare. That's for the hair color, skincare. So, diba? Ang ganda. Welcome to Downtown Summerland Mall. Yeah, this one is like, if this one is California, it's like Beverly Hills. Ganda guys, napakalinaw. Maganda ang niya. Ang setting ba? Wala masyadong tao. Dito ba Banana Republic brand, punta tayo dito. Diba ang ganda? Dito doon, maraming tao doon. It's scary. What's in here? Sports store. Raiders. How to get in there? Climb? I'm allowed? Even though I'm not a kid? Really? It's slippery. No, I cannot do it until it's too big. So yan guys, laruan sa mga bata guys. Iwan ko kung mayroon ba kayo ganito dyan sa Pilipinas. Gusto ko aakyat guys, kaya lang parang hindi ko kaya. Baka masita tayo dito. Hindi ko kaya guys. Nako. At saka filthy. Basa. Sa soda. Hello guys, tingnan ninyo guys. Mayroong fire dito guys. Pag malamig, yan. Feels good kasi malamig na. Di ba? Ganda tingnan, no? Ano ito? Real ito na fire, guys. Oh, oh, it's very warm. Feels so good, guys. Oh, tingnan ninyo. Oh, di ba? Gusto ko yan, guys, kasi malamig na. So, yan. Oh, di ba? So, yan ang sa kabila, ang yung dito hindi nagwo-work, doon lang sa kabila nag-work. Dito walang fire. Siguro wala silang gas, no? So, yan. So, yan ang guys. Oh, real siya nga fire, guys. Feels so good. It's warm. Kasi malamig, malamig na siya. O, di ba? So, maganda siya, guys. Oh. So, yan. So, uwi na tayo, guys. So, uuwi na tayo. Come on. So, maganda siya, guys. Uwi na tayo. Ang palm tree, oh, maganda. Ay, wait. So, yan. So, maganda siya, guys. Maraming restaurant dito. At saka, store, yung mga brand. Mayroon silang H&M, Banana Republic, lahat. Yan. Pero uwi na tayo kasi malamig na, guys. So, yan. Malayo-layo pa tayo sa car. So, tingnan ninyo, mayroong car. He's gonna stop. I like here kasi siya, quiet siya. Kasi ang mga tao is scattered.
We didn't stop you.
So, yan. Diba? Yan, tindahan. It's an aim. Para siyang Beverly Hills. Hindi ako masyado pumunta dito, guys. Doon ako sa outlet mall palagi. Kasi makamura ka doon eh. Dito, masyadong mahal dito. Expensive. Diba? Mas maganda ang sa outlet mall kasi makamura ka. Marami ka mabili doon sa pera mo. So, yan. So, just be practical when it becomes shopping. So, I'm good practical my money. Kasi, shopping ako lalo. Lagi ako mag-shopping sa, mahangin. Sa outlet mall. Mahangin, guys, oy. Wala pa naman akong coat. Akala ko winter is over. Hindi pa pala kasi mayroon pang lamig. Spring. So, minsan, malamig kasi hangin. Pag walang hangin, okay lang. Perfect weather. Diba? Ang ganda. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next vlog. My next video, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye everyone. Thank you so much.